Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. All right, the truck might be down, all right, but it's not out. All right, it has a plan, okay? And until then, we'll be doing some other things. All right, that's okay. I want to take my time, and I want it to get done right, and I want to be able to save the money and spend the money I want to spend on it. All right, I want it to be hot damn badass, or I have to start over somewhere else. I don't want to do that, so I am shooting for engine and trans swapped out with something really nice. All right, so I already have the engine type deal lined up. It's just a transmission issue. We'll see what's up. Okay, so yeah, I want you to listen to this. Check it out. All right, if you live in the Las Vegas area or the surrounding area or in Las Vegas and you want some hot damn badass work done, all right, I can get you directed in the right direction. All right, just go ahead and ask. All right, leave a comment and say, hey, I live in Las Vegas. I want to know where I could get something like that done myself. All right, I know the man, I know the place. All right, check it out. All right, hot damn hell yeah, y'all the best.